Turning from Bonnabel onto the Interstate West on-ramp. Driving through the center of Metairie, Central Business District. That was causeway we went through. And just coming up on the Clearview. If you get on the interstate at Bonnabel, you cannot get off at Causeway. You used to be able to about 8 to 10 years ago, but then they remodeled it. They did that flyover because my in-laws live right there by that entrance to the interstate. We used to be able to get on the interstate and get off at Causeway and be home in 5 minutes. Now it's harder. You can't, if you take the interstate, you got to go all the way to Clearview, then we have to double back. So we don't do that. So we just take Veterans now. We take Veterans to Causeway. It takes a couple minutes more now, I believe. But everybody can't be happy all the time. This is the Clearview exit here. If you want to go across the river, you go south. If you want to go to the north, towards the lake, towards the mall over there, Clearview Mall. Show you that, they're building something there. That's a 5-story condo they're building there. If you're watching this, it's 2023. Right before Halloween, 2023. The end of October, 2023. There's not traffic, but there's some people on the road for sure. I can make it Bonnabel to the airport in 12 minutes. Be close. That's my guess. 11 to 13 minutes for sure. All the new flyover. I think they finally connected the interstate to the airport. It's a Power Boulevard exit. You cannot get on at Power and go west. You can only go east from Power Boulevard. So we get in the Kenner, almost the Kenner line right there. Carolina in 4 minutes and 59 seconds. That's not bad. Now we gotta start getting over to the, I don't wanna miss the exit. 1.5 miles to the exit. Loyola Drive International Airport. About the bumps, guys. See what the sign says. I-55 North is closed at I-10. Use an alternate route. There's that bad accident where I think 8 or 10 people died. It was real bad, and like, I don't know, 30 or 40 people injured at least. A lot of people got hurt bad in that. Still closed? Oh, wow. I didn't know it was still closed. I guess you gotta take the old Highway 51 north if you want to go to Hammond or Ponchatoula. Alright, so here we have the International Airport exit, and we have the Loyola Drive, so if you go into the airport, hang to the right. Okay. This is cool. It's a lot better than stopping at the red light at Loyola Drive now. It'll take an extra couple minutes. You're gonna catch that red light. There's no way around it. I've been this way 10 times. Before they had this flyover, I've been 10 times and I caught the red light 10 times. You're just gonna catch that red light. There's no getting around it. Alright, so what did I say? 11 to 13 minutes. It's already 7, so I might be under that record, under that time slot. You can see the Luling Bridge over there. Well, you can't see the bridge, you can see the things that hang from. Alright, so now, I think before, when you take the old way, it would be that little road right there. But now they got, oh Lord, now they got this. And the walls are pretty high. The walls are 4 foot high. Alright, 7.5 minutes. Okay, let's just call it 8. 8 minutes to departures. 8 minutes to the departures, guys. Right there. Departures is that way, arrivals is this way. See if I can go around this circle. I could be back on the interstate in how long? I don't know if you can get back on the interstate yet. I don't know if that part is open yet. We're gonna find out. I could be back on the interstate in 11 minutes, guys. Airport to Loyola Drive and Veterans Boulevard. Wow. Alright, so you see, it looks like it's open. I-10 East, New Orleans to the left. So if you want to go west, you have to stay right. If you want to go east, you stay left. Okay. We can do that. Well, I'm not going west because there's nothing west of here. I'm going to stay to the left. Oh, it is open. Okay, awesome. So if you want to go west, I don't know. I think you have to catch a red light if you want to go west. If you want to go west towards Baton Rouge, I think you got to stay ground level and catch a red light or two. Well, this took them what? They were building this during the pandemic, 2019. So it took them 4 years to get this right. I think the airport opened during the pandemic, actually, 2020. The new airport location, the new terminal. So it's still the same airport. It's just they built a new terminal all the way on the other side of the airport, on the north side of the airport. The previous terminal was all the way to the end of the runway at the south terminus of the runway. Oh my goodness, 9.5 minutes. We're already on the interstate heading back home. Let's do a Bonnabel to Bonnabel. Bonnabel Boulevard to Bonnabel Boulevard. 16 minutes. Alright, so I'm sure y'all don't want to see this. That's how you get back on the interstate. What's this guy doing? Which lane you want, buddy? Pick a lane. Oh, my lane ends? My bad. Alright, I'll see y'all in the next video. This is Johnny B out from McKenna, Louisiana. I showed y'all how to get to the airport. Share this video so somebody might be interested. Remember, you got to stay to the left when you're coming from the airport to go east. So it's kind of backwards. You know, because east is to the right, but if you want to go east on the interstate, you got to stay to the left to go back towards New Orleans, or else you'll be on the city streets of Kenner, I believe. Peace out, guys. Smash that thumbs up button for me.